Mhm.
Don't let her hang on.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Go get your daddy. Yay!
Baby, yo, you're the best.
Come on. Yay!
Speak back to someone.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, she held on to me.
Okay. Don't hold your daddy. You can do it. You can do it.
She almost fell down that time. Didn't she, Dad?
Just take it in one more step to normal.
Whoa.
Oh! We had it! Yeah!
That was so good.
You almost found it, baby. Don't hang on to it.
Now you're relying on us. You gotta stay balanced.
You're probably getting tired.
You ready? Mwah.
Stay frozen. Be walking. I won't be holding your hand.
Good job. Go get your daddy now.
Good job.
Yeah.
No, let her try walking on her own.
Okay, she is. That's what she's doing.
Now, Mommy, you try walking on her own.
I've tried
She likes
walking
to
on my own.
practice.
Now it's time for you to try walking
Mom.
her.
Shh,
by
let's be
her own.
quiet, okay?
Come on.
Come on, come on.
One
Wow,
foot
wow,
on the
wow, yay!
Yay!
Come get your
You
daddy
really
now.
got it, Daddy.
She's getting better.
You gonna get your daddy? Uh-oh. Let go, you gotta let go with your hand.
Like
Good
just
girl.
according to you.
Wow, yeah.
How's it?
That's the way.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Okay, go get your dad. Oh, you gotta let go. You like forget that part.
Yeah, roll your pants up so she doesn't try to grab on them.
Yeah, I thought that was a good idea. Keep your shirt down.
Great. Now we're This is like no way, dude. No way. No way you can do it.
Can you get up? You got it.
Now go keep
Come
it
on.
down.
3 steps. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, let's all cheer for her so she can walk better.
Shh.
Go, Wilson, go, Wilson.
Yeah, that was perfect.
That's because I cheered for her.
Probably.
Go, Wilson. Maybe it didn't hurt that time. Go,
You
Wilson,
okay?
go, Wilson.
You okay?
Baby, you're
You okay?
Dominical. It's a baby. Oh yeah, you're Dominical.
She's so excited. Ready? Ready? Get your daddy.
Oh, yeah. You're in Jennifer. You're in Jennifer.
Okay. Good try.
Foot in front of the other.
One foot in front of the other. Oh!
She got excited. No
Take a
hands.
break. Really? Yeah. Let go, Dada. Is that what you said?
Yeah. there.
Look what Daddy does to you better than me. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah! That was great! That was so great!
Try it on her own, slowly.
Whoa, good save, my Daddy. Okay.
I think you lost your balance up her. Now, Mommy got your balance. You had your balance. You had Daddy's balance.
Aw. Give Lainey a
I
hug.
knew it.
Oh, Lainey. Oh, Lainey. Lainey,
That was close. It wasn't enough.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? She almost landed on Nico.
Good job. You saved yourself.
Yeah, close to the board. She almost hit her forehead.
Are you done? All done? Good job, baby.
Well, you came to the right place.
Wait, don't move, Lainey. Don't move. Shoot. Don't.
I was gonna hug her. She wants to walk somewhere.
All done? Hey. Okay. Good job. Good job, little walker.